WordPress Tutorials for Beginners 2026 Guide. WordPress is one of the most popular website building platforms in the world. In 2026, it powers over 40% of all websites, from small personal blogs to large business sites. If you are a beginner and want to create your first website, WordPress is one of the best choices because it is flexible, beginner-friendly, and does not require coding knowledge. This tutorial will explain everything you need to know to start using WordPress, from setting it up to publishing your first website. 1. What is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system CMS. That means it helps you build and manage a website without needing to write complex programming code. There are two types of WordPress: WordPress.com, hosted platform, limited control; WordPress.org, self-hosted, full control. For beginners who want full freedom, WordPress.org is recommended because you can install plugins, customize themes, and grow your site professionally. 2. Why use WordPress in 2026? WordPress has improved a lot over the years, and in 2026 it offers many modern features. Easy drag-and-drop editing with block builders, thousands of themes and templates, powerful plugins for SEO, security, and e-commerce, mobile-friendly design options, AI tools for content creation and site optimization. WordPress is also perfect for blogs, business websites, online stores, portfolios, news sites, membership platforms. 3. What you need before starting. Before you build a WordPress site, you need two important things: a domain name. This is your website address, like www.yourname.com. Choose a domain that is short, easy to remember, and related to your topic. Hosting is where your website files are stored online. Popular hosting providers in 2026 include Bluehost, SiteGround, Hostinger, Cloudways. Most hosting companies offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup very easy. 4. Installing WordPress. Once you purchase hosting and a domain, you can install WordPress. Steps: 1. Log into your hosting dashboard. 2. Find Install WordPress. 3. Click one-click install. 4. Enter your site name and admin login details. 5. Finish installation. After installation, you can access your dashboard at www.yoursite.com/wp-admin. 5. Understanding the WordPress dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is the control center of your website. Key sections include posts for blog articles, pages for static pages like about or contact, appearance, themes, menus, customization, plugins, add extra features, settings, general site options. Spend some time exploring the dashboard because it is where you manage everything. 6. Choosing a WordPress theme. A theme controls the design and layout of your website. To install a theme: 1. Go to Appearance, gives themes. 2. Click Add New. 3. Search for a theme. 4. Click Install, gives Activate. Popular beginner themes in 2026. Astra, Generatepris, Cadence, Bloxy. Always choose a theme that is mobile responsive. Fast loading, SEO friendly, compatible with plugins. 7. Customizing your website. To customize your theme. 1. Go to Appearance gives Customize. 2. Change your logo, colors, fonts, and homepage layout. 3. Preview changes before publishing. WordPress now uses block-based full site editing, which makes customization easier than ever. 8. Creating pages in WordPress. Pages are permanent sections of your website, such as Home, About, Services, Contact. To create a page. 1. Go to Pages gives Add New. 2. Enter a title. 3. Add content using blocks. 4. Click Publish. Blocks include text, images, videos, buttons, columns. This block editor is very beginner-friendly. 9. Writing blog posts. If you want to blog, WordPress is perfect. To create a post, 1. Go to Posts gives Add New. 2. Write your content. 3. Add categories and tags. 4. Upload a featured image. 5. Click Publish. Difference between posts and pages. Posts are timely and appear in the blog feed. Pages are static and do not change often. 10. Installing plugins, adding features. Plugins are like apps for WordPress. They add new functions such as SEO tools, contact forms, e-commerce, and security. To install a plugin, 1. Go to Plugins gives Add New. 2. Search for the plugin. 3. Click Install gives Activate must-have plugins for beginners in 2026. Yoast SEO or Rank Math SEO optimization. WooCommerce Contact Form Builder, Elementor Page Builder, WooCommerce Online Store, WordFence Security Protection, Updraft Plus Backup Tool. Do not install too many plugins because they can slow down your website. 11. Creating menus and navigation. Menus help visitors explore your site easily. To create a menu, 1. Go to Appearance gives Menus. 2. Click Create New Menu. 3. Add pages like Home, About, Contact. 4. Save menu. 5. Assign it to the header location. Good navigation improves user experience. 12. Making your website mobile-friendly. In 2026, most people browse websites on phones. Make sure your site looks good on all devices. Tips: use a responsive theme. Avoid huge images. Test with Google. Mobile-friendly tool. Use simple layouts. Mobile design is essential for SEO and visitors. 13. WordPress SEO Basics. SEO search engine optimization helps your website appear in Google search results. Beginner SEO tips: use keywords in titles and headings. Write helpful content. Install an SEO plugin. Add meta descriptions. Optimize images with alt text. Use fast hosting. WordPress makes SEO easier than many other platforms. 14. Website security and backups. Security is important, especially in 2026 with increasing cyber threats. Protect your WordPress site by using strong passwords, updating WordPress regularly, installing security plugins, enabling automatic backups, using SSL certificate HTTPS. Always keep your site updated to avoid hacking risks. 15. Launching your WordPress website. Before launching, check. Pages are complete. Menu works properly. Mobile view looks good. SEO plugin installed. Contact form works. Website speed is optimized. Once ready, share your site with the world. Conclusion. WordPress is one of the best platforms for beginners in 2026 with modern themes, block editing, plugins, and easy customization. Anyone can build a professional website without coding. Start small, practice regularly, and improve your site step by step. Whether you want to create a blog, business website, or online store, WordPress gives you everything you need to succeed online.